So in this video, I want to show you how you can connect your TikTok Ads Manager with your Shopify store. And before we are going ahead and installing the TikTok app, in order to do so, we want to claim ourselves the TikTok ad promotion, because right now they're running a promotion where you can get up to 1,000 USD. In order to land on this page, just feel free to go down in the video description. Here you will find the promotion link from TikTok. It's also a partner link, so you're helping me and my channel. Thank you a lot. Just click on it and it will bring you to this page. And here you can see that this promotion, when you spend 1,500 USD, you will get 1,000 USD in ads credit from TikTok if you do this in the first 30 days. And most importantly, because if you install or if you create a TikTok ads account via Shopify, it won't be possible because this is excluded. It says here TikTok Shop and third-party partners, in example Shopify, clients are excluded. So that's why I'm showing you this, because if you want to claim this offer, just read through the terms and conditions. But I think it's a nice offer. If you spend 1,500 USD, you will get 1,000 credits. And therefore, we first need to sign up for the TikTok ads account and not from within Shopify. That's the whole point why I'm showing you this. So just go ahead, click on the link down below. Then you will land on this page, sign up via email, password, and just type in your company infos in the next step. And then you will land on TikTok. And here you can start running your campaigns. But before doing so, then of course you need to go to Shopify and go to the App Store. And within here, you can just type in TikTok. And make sure you find the official TikTok app. And you can tell because it's the developer of TikTok Inc. and the ratings are quite good and quite many. And then you can just hit install and it will automatically then install the app for you on your Shopify store. And then you can go ahead and just click install. And it will give you a quick startup guide here if you need that. But you can just click here on continue setup, and now you can connect for businesses. And now this is my account and I can just click connect and it will automatically connect to my TikTok business account. Then I can just hit connect and again connect. And here, really important, you have the data sharing. So what kind of data you want to share with the pixel. Of course, you can go all in and share the maximum amount of data, but you need to make sure that your privacy policy reflects the usage of the customer data. So when you are living in the European Union, you're probably not allowed to do that, but I'm no lawyer on this. So just feel free to choose whatever you feel like or talk to a lawyer and make sure to select it. If I would be in Europe, I would choose the standard and then hit confirm. And maybe you need to type in some company information if they're missing, and then you can hit finish setup. And now the whole thing is pending. It might take up to 24 hours to connect, but you can check when the pixel is connected. In order to do so, just install the TikTok Pixel Helper. Just Google this on Chrome, and then you can just put it here on your Chrome and install it. And when you are on your online store, you can just hit it and you will see, okay, the page views are tracked here and the view content is also tracked. So that's quite nice. And when you're back on TikTok advertising platform, then you can select the pixel here. And if you want to see if the events are firing, you can go on events. And if the events are firing, you will see here, for example, for me, now it's firing. I saw 2 events today because we just set up the pixel right now and had 2 page views already. So the event is firing, and inside our advertisement campaigns, we now can do the sales conversion goal, because this is super vital if you don't want to waste your money on that, because you need to track actually conversions. Yeah, if you want to learn more about TikTok ads, you will find a link to a video course. It's free also in the video description down below. And if you want to start setting everything up now, you will also find the link to TikTok ads right now. And yeah, just make sure that you use the link in order to get the credits. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And there's also a like button. So thank you a lot if you give it a thumbs up. And yeah, see you in the next video or in the course down below. Love to see you there. Bye.